Hi everyone, this side Vidit Kaushik and I'm working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. Today we are going to discuss Section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. It deals with the admissibility of electronic records, digital evidence to be presented in the court. Any information contained in any electronic record which is printed on a paper, stored, recorded or copied in optical or magnetic media or in digital form or produced by a computer or a mobile phone shall be deemed to be also a document like screenshots, like files, documents, if the conditions mentioned in the sections are satisfied in relation to the information and computer in question and shall be admissible in any proceedings without further proof or production of the original as evidence of any contents of the original or any fact which direct evidence would be admissible. In respect of a computer output shall be the following: the computer output containing the information produced by the computer during the period used to regularly to store or process information or the purpose of any activities regularly carried, the kind contained in the electronic record or of the kind from which the information so contained is derived throughout the material part of the said period, the computer was operating properly, then in respect of any period which it was not operating or was out of the operation was not such as to affect the electronic record, functioning or storing or processing information on the purposes of any activities regularly carried. In proceedings, we can produce the document evidence or the digital evidence in front of the court, in front of the judge for seeking justice, so that we can be held not guilty by the court. Dealing with any of the matters to which the conditions mentioned, a person occupying a responsible official position in relation to the operation of the relevant device or the management of the relevant activities shall be evidence of any matter. For the purposes, information shall be taken to be supplied to a computer if it is supplied thereto in an appropriate form. Official information is supplied, being stored or processed. It have to be taken to be produced by a computer, whether it was produced by directly or with a human intervention by means of any appropriate equipment. For the purposes of this section, any reference to information being derived from other information shall be a reference to which being derived therefore by calculation, comparison or any other purposes. So section 65 deals with the admissibility of the evidences, electronic records, basically the documentation which is in front of the you can produce